This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Most people have never tried this tiny seed, yet just 3 tablespoons provide complete protein and healthy fats. So what really happens when you start eating hemp seeds every day? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In this episode, we'll explore the real science behind hemp seeds. Stick around, because this video will answer all your questions. First, don't let the name confuse you. Hemp seeds come from the hemp plant, but they won't get you high. They contain only trace amounts of psychoactive compounds. What they do contain is something much more impressive. Just 3 tablespoons provide about 10 grams of protein, along with healthy omega-3 and omega-6 fats. And unlike most plant proteins, hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids. That's right, they're a complete protein. So, what happens when you eat hemp seeds every day? One of the biggest benefits may be better heart health. Hemp seeds are rich in healthy unsaturated fats and contain an amino acid called arginine. Your body uses arginine to produce nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels relax and supports healthy blood pressure. But that's only part of the story. If you're trying to eat more protein, hemp seeds can help there too. 3 tablespoons deliver around 10 grams of highly digestible protein, making them a great addition for older adults, vegetarians, or anyone looking to boost protein intake naturally. And here's something many people don't realize. Hemp seeds are also packed with magnesium. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of reactions in the body and helps support muscles, nerves, and bones. Since many people don't get enough magnesium, hemp seeds can help fill that gap. But wait, there's another benefit. Their healthy fats and antioxidants may also support healthy aging and brain function. Omega-3 fats are important for brain cells, while antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic disease. Now let's talk about digestion. Whole hemp seeds contain fiber that supports regular bowel movements. However, most people buy shelled hemp seeds, also called hemp hearts. These are easier to eat but contain much less fiber because the outer shell has been removed. So if fiber is your goal, whole hemp seeds have an advantage. Now here's the question everyone asks: how much should you eat? For most healthy adults, 1 to 3 tablespoons a day, or about 15 to 30 grams, is a reasonable amount. If you're new to hemp seeds, start with 1 tablespoon and gradually increase the amount. This can help prevent bloating or digestive discomfort. And the best part? Hemp seeds are incredibly easy to use. One simple combination is 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds mixed into plain Greek yogurt with blueberries. That's a delicious snack packed with protein and antioxidants. And unlike flax seeds, hemp seeds don't need to be ground. Unlike chia seeds, they don't need to be soaked either. Just open the bag and enjoy. But remember, more is not better. Hemp seeds are nutritious, but they're also calorie-dense. Eating excessive amounts may cause digestive issues and add unnecessary calories. People taking blood-thinning medications or managing certain medical conditions should talk to their healthcare provider before making major dietary changes. Also, store hemp seeds properly. Because they're rich in delicate healthy fats, they can go rancid over time. So, are hemp seeds a miracle food? No single food is. The real benefits come from eating them consistently as part of an overall healthy diet. Have you tried hemp seeds before? Let us know your favorite way to eat them in the comments. And if you enjoy science-based nutrition videos, make sure to subscribe to the Mindhunters so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.